Hey now. So this is still kind of a mystery griddle to me. The only thing I've kind of done is try to match that number 8 to something similar, and I guessed a lodge here. I really have no idea. I haven't found a good source to ID this one. I found some similar postings, but nothing concrete. So if you have an idea, please let me know. I'd like to ID this one. So this is my updated electrolysis tank, and I'm finally kind of happy with this main design here. Everything kind of stays dry. All the leads stay out of the water, and that is just like a soft, hard copper wire, bent, it can twist, and the pan just hangs on there. So it actually works really good, this little design here. It's about my 8th one. Alright, and our featured channel this time around is the Mudbrooker. He has some great cast iron related content, and he streams weekly. You can hop in, ask questions, even get help IDing pans. It's a great little community. I recommend you check it out if you haven't already. Thanks again for sticking around for another restoration. Don't forget to check out the Cast Iron Discord if you haven't already, link below, and most importantly, stick around so your food won't. Stay rusty out there. Peace!